Hello guys, and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video I will show you how to put your iPhone 15 Pro, well any version of iPhone 15, into recovery mode. So what you need to do is press and release the volume up and down key and the side power key, hold it continuously, and then you swipe your iPhone power off. So the Apple logo will appear, it will turn off, and continue to hold down the side key, and then recovery mode will appear. Then obviously you can connect it to your MacBook or iTunes. To exit recovery mode, all you need to do is hold down the side key for approximately 6 seconds, and then it will exit recovery mode. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.